Pelican 1740 case review. Survives the Amazon, Everest, and probably your ex's rage too. Ever felt like your gear's just one drop away from being destroyed? You spend hundreds and maybe thousands on pro-level equipment, only to store it in a cardboard coffin or flimsy case that couldn't survive a sneeze. Yeah, we've been there. You haul your camera, telescope, or rifle across wild terrain, only to find it dinged, damp, or worse, dead. Whether you're shooting wildlife in the Amazon or prepping for a trek through frozen hellscapes, flimsy cases just don't cut it. And it's not just about damage, it's the mental fatigue of not trusting your gear will arrive in one piece. Let's be real, this ain't just annoying, it's crippling. When you're racing deadlines, prepping for a high-stakes shoot, or carrying life-saving tech, there's no room for oops. A cracked lens. A misaligned tripod. A busted jackhammer that sets your whole schedule back. These aren't just small setbacks, they're productivity vampires. You start wasting hours double wrapping gear, second-guessing every bump on the road, and stressing every time you hand your gear over to airport baggage handlers who treat luggage like dodgeballs. It's burnout bait, and the missed opportunities hurt most. Enter the Pelican 1740 case with foam, the bodyguard your gear didn't know it needed. This beast was born to protect, weatherproof, crushproof, dustproof, and swear-word-proof. It's been chopper-dropped in Iraq, rolled under SUVs in Tanzania, and floated through frozen Norwegian fjords. Yeah, it's built that tough. With its 6-piece Pick N Pluck foam, stainless steel reinforced padlock zones, and freakin wide track wheels, it doesn't just carry your gear, it cradles it like a newborn. Plus, it's deep enough to pack a chainsaw or telescope without blinking. It's like Fort Knox on wheels. Your workflow just got a serious glow up. With 2 rugged handles and smooth rolling polyurethane wheels, this isn't a backbreaker, it's a solo hauler's dream. No more duct taping cheap plastic boxes or babying your gear like it's made of glass. Just stash, click, roll, and go. Whether you're hauling lights, rifles, tripods, or intergalactic telescopes, okay, slight exaggeration, the Pelican 1740 turns chaos into cruise control. Wanna stop stressing and start moving like a boss? Hit that link below and unlock your gear protection era. Time to choose. Another broken lens or lifelong protection? Pelican backs this monster with a legendary lifetime guarantee. Thousands of pros have already ditched their dollar store cases and leveled up with Pelican, and you can too. But heads up, these cases sell fast, and trust me, the good ones vanish first. So don't wait for another gear tragedy. Smash that buy button, protect your gear like it owes you money, and roll into your next adventure without fear. Because your equipment deserves a case as serious as you are. Let's go.